Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Uizard and UX Pilot and see how each tool helps you supercharge your UI design with AI in 2025. So let's start with Uizard. Uizard is a no-code AI design tool that turns hand-drawn sketches, text prompts, or screenshots into polished mock-ups. It's great for rapid prototyping, especially for startups or non-designers. And now let's look up to UX Pilot. UX Pilot is an emerging AI assistant focused on helping you write UX copy, create wireframes, and improve user flows with AI generated suggestions. It focuses more on interaction design and user experience feedback. So let's briefly compare the two. Number one, ease of use. Wizard has a drag and drop interface with real-time design generation. You can go from idea to interactive prototype just within minutes. While UX Pilot feels more like a consultant, it gives AI-generated UX feedback, microcopy, and journey suggestions. So it has less visual but more strategic. Number two, design capabilities. Wizard outputs full visual mockups and UI elements, and you can edit. While UX Pilot doesn't create full UIs, it focuses on improving what you already have based on usability principles. Number three, use case. You can use Wizard when you want to prototype fast without hiring a designer, and you can use UX Pilot when you want AI advice on UX, user flow, and conversion improvements. Number 4, AI strengths. Wizard shines in visual generation and turning input into layout, while UX Pilot excels in UX writing and heuristic analysis. So in short, you can choose Wizard for fast visual mockups powered by AI, and you can go with UX Pilot if you want deeper UX advice and smarter user flows. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.